Welcome to this tutorial on how to activate Bank of America mobile banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of signing up and activating your mobile banking account. To get started, you will need to have a Bank of America account and a mobile device with internet access. If you do not have a Bank of America account, you can easily open one online or at a local branch. First, navigate to the Bank of America website and click on the Enroll link at the top of the page. You will then be prompted to enter your account information, including your account number and Social Security number. Next, you will need to verify your identity by answering a series of security questions. These questions are used to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the account. Once you have verified your identity, you will be able to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a username and password that are unique and secure. After creating your username and password, you will be able to download the Bank of America mobile banking app. The app is available for both iPhone and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to log in using your username and password. You will then be prompted to set up a 4-digit passcode that will be used to access your account. You will also be given the option to set up fingerprint or facial recognition to access your account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now that you have activated your mobile banking account, you will be able to access your account information, view your account balance and transaction history, pay bills and transfer money. Best practices for using mobile banking include always logging out of your account when finished using the app and keeping your device and app up to date with the latest security patches. By following these steps, you will be able to easily activate your Bank of America mobile banking account and start managing your finances on the go. Remember to always prioritize security when using mobile banking and to contact Bank of America customer support if you have any questions or concerns.